My name is Ryan O'Donnell, founder and CEO of Salty, and I'm gonna do a mini series here telling you a little bit more about Salty and some frequently asked questions. Next, I'm gonna talk about freshness. Fresh is best. If you can make something at home from your garden, that is the best. I encourage you to do that. If you're on the run and on the go and you need what is the best on the shelf, this is the best on the shelf. We're gonna prove that quantitatively and qualitatively. First, we're gonna go into freshness. Freshness. Nothing in these products has ever been frozen. We get all the fresh lemon and we get all the fresh turmeric and ginger and superfoods that we add to these beverages directly from the farm. We process that in San Diego, California. We add it to the beverage fresh. We never freeze the beverage after production, and all of our raw ingredients are never frozen pre-production. How does that compare to the other beverages on the market? It's a night and day difference. You may not know this as the consumer, but you are a very conscious and aware being, and you are gonna start to understand this as you consume healthier products in the world. The other products in the world, 9 times out of 10, have frozen ingredients that are shipped to them from third world countries already frozen. Then they thaw those out. It's called slacking out. So they take a big vat of turmeric juice or ginger juice that's been produced in a third world country. They bring it into the US, they unfreeze it, they add it to their beverage, and then what do? They pasteurize the beverage and kill all the nutrients and the enzymes and the life. Or they add it to the beverage, they put it in a plastic package which leaches microplastics into the beverage, and then they run it through a high pressure pasteurizing machine, Pascalization for all you guys that are gonna call me out on it, and then they take that and they put it on the shelf. And when you consume it, guess what? That product has been frozen a couple times, it's been pasteurized or HPP'd. It is not a living beverage. It is not doing you any good health-wise. And that is a true difference between Salty and I would call them substitute goods, because they aren't competition. We have no competition on the shelf today. We simply have other products on the shelf that are not good for you, that are substitute goods. These products are premium, fresh products that have never been frozen, always are alive, they're UV light filtered so they're never subject to heat, and they're put on the shelf fresh with shelf life. These do not have 2-year shelf life, they do not have 9-month shelf life, they have a couple months shelf life at best, which means they are fresh, and fresh is best. So I'm gonna go over some frequently asked questions that we get from consumers on a regular basis. If you have any additional questions, please send them in to our marketing team. You can reach them on Instagram via direct message. You can comment on this video or on our Instagram posts. You can send an email to hello@salty.com, and any questions that you send in, we'd be happy to help. We pride ourselves on transparency, and we believe the future of food and beverage is full transparency with 360-degree awareness of not only the liquid inside the product, but also the packaging, the manufacturing process, and the total ecosystem in which the company really touches.